Hello there. Let's just don't waste our time knowing who I am. I just want you all to listen to this audio and understand what I want to convey. Actually, it's about Independence Day. We are celebrating 70 years of independence for India, but are we sure our India is independent? India is a diverse nation. Still, we have bias on caste, creed, and religion. India is nation of love, democracy, moral values, and still we have child below 10 to 14 working in our area or office, and we are quiet. India is nation of brotherhood, and we still have many cases coming that a woman was harassed or sexually abused, and we are quiet. Some people in India have billions in bank, and some doesn't even have a bread to eat. Leave the question of eating, they might even drink water which is not drinkable. Yes, I accept the theory of ऊपर वाला सबको जो देता है सोच समझ के देता है. But my point here is, are we really independent? We have right to speak, right to raise our voice. Each and every person in India have that right. But when a normal person tries to take action against something wrong, his or her voice is not considered. You know why? Just because he or she is pointing the higher authority, or he or she may be wrong or right, but voice is not even heard. If the voice is heard, the condition is then manipulated by the higher authority, and then they get a clean chit and flew away. Where is justice here? Leave justice, where is democracy here? Rules are different for someone who have huge bank balance. India is only independent to them, is it? We know all these things and we are still quiet. I'm not pointing anyone over here, just making myself clear, keeping my points on harsh reality. Yes, celebrating Independence Day today, right? 15th August, remembering martyrs who gave their life, sacrificed their life to make India independent. So proud, don't you? Just think, when we say we live in an independent nation, it become our choice what changes we will make in our nation. As you know, we are the only one who choose which person will govern India. And we are the only one who take this decision as burden. We should take it seriously, very seriously. We today are like my life, my family, and some others will consider my friends. That's it. What about the society you are living in? If the person who gave their life for whole nation had thought about their family, their friend, their life, क्या इंडिया कभी आज़ाद होता था? If we see anything wrong going on, first we make sure we are safe and move ahead. Ignorance बहुत है इंडिया वालों में. मैं उसको नहीं जानता तो मुझे क्या करना है? क्या भगत सिंह तुम्हारे पूर्वजों को जानते थे? क्या सब हिंदुस्तानियों को जानते थे जो उन्होंने और कई लोगों ने देश के लिए अपनी जान दी? क्या बॉर्डर पे खड़ा जवान हमको जानता है जो हमारे देश की रखवाली के लिए खड़ा है? नो राइट. कुछ चीज़ें इंसान को बिन फायदे की करनी पड़ती है. उसे हम सच्चे देशभक्त कहते हैं, पैट्रियट, राइट? पैट्रियट. This doesn't mean that you should also go to army and join them. But my point is, at least try to make the surrounding a good place to live in. If we neglect one bad thing today, 100 will come up tomorrow, and if we stand for one bad thing together, 100 will think before doing it. That's the difference, my friend. According to me, Desh Azad hai. Yeah, India is independent. But people in India are not. I will consider people in India will be independent when no child on road will come out to sell the flags on the day of independence. No person in India will sleep hungry due to lack of food, and many more things that make us a good human and take humanity further. Let's take an oath to cherish others' life this Independence Day and strive not to tolerate any wrong things going on in our society or around us. It's our India, our nation, our responsibility. Jai Hind. And yeah, let's make it a happy independence.